Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative of y. So now I will show you how to answer. We have this equation in here. So we need to put about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have ln of a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So this one we can write into 1 over s tan ln of tan s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So we do first derivative of ln y. We have first derivative of y over y. So we apply about the product rule. So we do first derivative of 1 over s. We will have about negative 1 over s squared multiplied by ln of tan s. Next, we do first derivative of this one. So we will have about secant of s squared over tan s, and we have 1 over s. Secant of s squared we change for 1 over cosine s squared. Tan s we change for sine s over cosine s. Cosine s divided by cosine s. So we have 1 over cosine s and sine s. So cosine s will go to denominator. So I will put number 2 on numerator and denominator. And this one in here is about sine 2s. Next, we multiply both sides by y. About y, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.